Sesingahlala phasi malangeni.
Emakhosikazi bantu abenkosi ndvunankulu emabandla kweluleka tikhulu lijaji lelikhulu lisekela la ndvunankulu tindvuna tembuso labamele emave kuleli bacondzisi netindlu totimbili teparlamente lobukwesigodi salapha kamanzini timenywa letibalulekile nanonke bekunene nalobuke libutho lakafaya nani nonke mabutho akafaya sinivusele kumathapha.
Emakhosikazi, Your Royal Highnesses, Prime Minister, Councillors, Chiefs, the Chief Justice, Deputy Prime Minister, Cabinet Ministers, members of the Diplomatic Corps, presiding officers, and members of both Houses of Parliament, the Regional Administrator for the Manzini region, distinguished guests, the Chief Fire Officer, and all ranks and file of the Eswatini National Fire and Emergency Services in the Kingdom. Ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all here in Matsapa.
Bekunene kuyintokoto lenkulu ukuthi namuhla sibuthene lapha kumathapha airport la khona sto usuku letokucisha lelibutho letokucisha umlilo eveni phindze futhi kube lisuku leli lapho khona lelibutho solo lasungulwa lihlanganisa emashumi lasihlanu solo laba khona eveni lisebenza umsebenzi lomuhle ebekunene.
It is indeed a great joy for us to be here this day here at Matsapa Airport to celebrate the second edition of the National Fire Day, inasmuch as it affords us an opportunity to celebrate 50 years of anniversary since the establishment of the Eswatini National Fire Emergency and Rescue Services in the Kingdom.
Bekunene elangeni lelinjena lelanga lete kucisha umlilo sinemukulana onke kulomsebenzi kuba khona kwenu kukhulu kakhulu utosekela lona libutho letekucisha umlilo sithathe nekumukela nalababuya ngaphandle nabo lababonala ukuthi bo Chief Fire lababuya esigodini se region kusadaki ukuthi nonke nitivele nemukelekile bekunene.
I take this occasion to welcome you all to this great ceremony here today. Your presence here today is indeed of great impact and meaning to us, and we applaud and appreciate your presence here to support our National Fire Day. Inasmuch as I would like to welcome the heads of the various emergencies in the region, the Chief Fire Officers of the SADC region who are here to join us today on this great occasion.
Kini libutho lekucisha temlilo lona ngomnyaka wesibili ni kubonakala sakwe ukuthi sihlangane kanjena sto kubhala usuku lokucisha imlilo. Angisho ukuthi kulo msebenzi lenwendako kuyabonakala ukuthi cha niqeqeshiwe sibili umsebenzi wenu muhle kakhulu libutho lecisha umlilo.
Firefighters, this is your second edition of the National Fire Day. I must say how glad and inspired I am to see all of you well trained and prepared to serve the King and country. This is indeed your day here today.
Eminyakeni emuva lebutho letekucisha umlilo lalingasilo lelibese lenta nema drills njoba niwenda nikhombise ukuthi imitimba iqinile bekuba libutho nje lelatiwa ukuthi tawuthi ngabuthwa lisebenze nje ukucisha imililo kepha ke kule minyaka lemibili kuyabonakala ukuthi lizinga lenu liyakhula kakhulu senende ma drills nikhombisa imitimba yenu ukuthi ihlakazekile ikahle iphilile engadini emoyeni emphefumulweni libutho lecisha umlilo.
Firefighters, in previous years, firefighters were recruited and sent out to do their fire rescue operations in the kingdom. But since last year, the firefighters have begun to learn various drills demonstrating their physical fitness and preparedness to serve the country wherever they are needed. I must say how glad am I to see your physical fitness and the drills displayed before us here today, showcasing your readiness to serve wherever you are called upon in the kingdom.
Libutho lecisha umlilo kujabulisa kakhulu kukhanza umdlandla kini usedulu kakhulu nikhombisa live ukuthi na nithatha sinqumo nesifungo sekwekuthi ndawo defender live noma ngabe ngisiphi isimo lesibonali sawo ukuthi sihambelana netemililo niyavele niphume ne ukuthi kungagcini lapho netemanti nangabe khona kumbe lesobathole ukuthi sebathole itingoti emantini etimotweni netingoti tonke nje general leti khona ngekwehlukahlukana kukhombisa ukuthi umdlandla wenu usedulu noma ngabe kulikhuni noma ngabe kunjani nine nawuba i-front line la nawubonalisa ukuthi nginawuhamba embili live liphephe sive siphephe kuleso sigaba libutho lecisha umlilo.
Firefighters, I am encouraged to see the zeal and inspiration that you demonstrate here today during your various drills. I am encouraged to see that you still hold your oath of office that you took when you joined the fire and rescue services. Today I am pleased that you continue to demonstrate your bravery and courage wherever you will be called upon in other accidents, be it the roads, water, or any other accidents where a Maswati may find need of your courageous and bravery in serving our nation.
Ngibe nathuloqina libutho lecisha umlilo na nikhombisa ukuthi yini imisebenzi napho kubonalisa khona ukuthi nasenibitiwe ukuthi nihambe nosebenza ningafike ni perform kanjani nawubuka i-performance yenu kufaka ekhathi kubonalisa ukuthi kungaba dinyoka kungaba tehlakalo tetingoti ngekwehlukahlukana senikhombisile ukuthi live lingaba nathuloqina ukuthi nanikhona nini kude lokutawulidla kude lokutakwendeka ngeke liphathame live eMaswati onke nalaba ufika ngalaka kangwane bawukhanza simo sikhona sekubafikela libutho lecisha umlilo.
I must say, firefighters, that have been encouraged and strengthened in seeing you demonstrate your various rescue operation tactics that you have so demonstrated well here today. I am assured that the nation, seeing how you demonstrated your rescue operations in snake catching, aircraft maneuvers, and house and other various services that you do offer here today, have showcased openly to the nation that you firefighters are ready, able and willing to meet every challenge face to face.
Libutho leqisha umlilo nasibona nale equipment lenisebenzisako libonalako ukuthi nanayo seyivele ihambisana nesimanje manje sekuthi namhla impilo ikanjani iyabonakala le equipment ukuthi kulesimo sanamuhla njengoba ibukele kunyendi ibuke ema high buildings njengoba nelive selinetakhiwo lesetiphakeme kakhulu kubonala ukuthi ningasaleli ngemuva kube kungavela ingoti etindzaweni letifana netitezi kukhanzeke ukuthi ngekuthi kumbe kude equipment lekahle kuze kuvele imonakalo ngetindzawo nekwehlukahlukana kungaba emakhiweni kungaba kusetindzabeni njengoba sinetindzaba letinze la ukhanza ukuthi kuhle kuba nemonakalo khona kepha ke nasibona utonge le equipment le nithwele iyakhomba ukuthi noma ngangisiphi isimo i-capability lenayo ndawo khona kusebenza lo msebenzi ngalokufanele libutho lakafana.
Firefighters, I must say that I've been pleased to see how you have embraced cutting-edge technology and modern-day equipment that you utilize in your service, where we have seen the emergence of high-rise buildings here in the kingdom. The sophisticated equipment that you have within your shores shall accord you the ability to meet every challenge as we now have high-rise buildings in the kingdom, be it mountains or any other challenge that we might face as a nation. You are well equipped.
Naloku jabulisako ukuthi noma ikhona le equipment le nifanele nisebenzise senikhombisile ukuthi ngalelinye ilanga le equipment ngeke ikone kufinyelela yawufinyelela tindzambo letifuna bantu labaqinile emtimbeni ngoba na ukuphakama ngale tindzambo ushona letulu kungenteka ukuthi lophula ngakuwe nangabe ungakendeki kahle kepha ke namuhla nikhombisile ukuthi niyakhona ngesibinzi lesikhulu ngoba ema heights ahamba lethe neluvalo kumuntu athi nje nakabuka phansi umbona sashawa siyeti angasami khona kuma kahle kepha ke namuhla nikhombisile i-capability ukuthi niyakhona kwenda noma ngasimo lesinjani noma ngalesimo sinebungoti lobukhulu nikhombise umdlandla lokeni ukuthi kude lockdown ehlula ngoba kuphephisa impilo tesive ngona lokumqo kakhulu libutho leteqisha umlilo.
Firefighters, I've also been pleased to know that even though your sophisticated equipment might fail you from time to time, but you have developed your bodies into human machines that now can be able to traverse difficult situations whenever need will be needed or your help will be needed. You will be able to reach that particular destination. I have seen how these human machines that you have so become can now even use ropes to climb and access difficult situation and rescue people from those situations. I am encouraged and inspired to see your courage and bravery in every challenge that might be before you, firefighters.
Ngiye ngikhumbule emuva ukuthi emuva nakusaqala lelibutho la lisebenzisa kubonakala ukuthi kwakuthiwa tibhulo kwakuvele kuthathwe nje tihlahla nemagcembe abekwe ukuthi ke ungavela loyo mlilo loyo lovelako usebenzele tibhulo umlilo ngalesinye isikhathi ukanze ukuthi ngoba nani isebenza ngetibhulo usebenza emandla kakhulu umlilo futhi ngalesinye isikhathi utana ngalulaka lelikhulu lomlilo bese ukhanzasa ukuthi ha umlilo soyeqa so uzowecela kuletinye tindzawo ngoba kude le equipment lefuneka inike protection naniye kuyawucisha umlilo namuhla ke siyabona ukuthi ngale equipment lekhona noma umlilo ngawunjani uhamba nesivungu sihusha semoya niyawukhona nine ukuthi nitivikele nikuphindze nikhone nekunqoba loyo mlilo loyo ukuthi awu kuhle kakhulu lokho libutho letekucisha umlilo.
Firefighters, I recall in times past when the nation was faced with wildfires or outrunning fires. We used to use traditional means of stopping fires that was even requiring from us much effort without the necessary equipment and PPE to prevent those fires from engulfing us as a nation. I am quite pleased to date that we do have the necessary equipment and PPE that will enable you as firefighters to stop any fire wherever it might be in the kingdom, because you now have all the necessary equipment to stop outrunning fires.
Naloku kuthatako libutho letekucisha umlilo uthi siyinakelele imvelo singayithathi njengesitha noma ngabe seyingene endlini siyithathe kwati nje ukuthi ngalelinye ilanga udayikhanza imvelo ikhona la endlini nje uma nje nikhombisile ukuthi kuyakwe kungena tinyoka njoba tinyoka tiyahamba uke ngalelinye ilanga seyingene ekhaya ukuthi ke nikhombise ukuthi indlela lesenisebenza ngayo akusasiko ukuthi sithi singabona inyoka ukuthi ayibulawe kepha ke itfolwa kalendlela ukuthi siyithathe kahle siyifake kahle lapho kuphephe khona siyithathe soyibeka kahle enzaweni la itawuqhubeka yanzise naletinye tinyoka eveni live litokwati ukuthi njoba tinyoka netilwane tadalwa uNkulunkulu sifanele sihlale siphile nato ngemoya lomuhle hayi ngemoya wekuhlukubetana libutho letekucisha umlilo.
Firefighters, nature is a part of us, and we must protect nature by all means as a kingdom. I've been glad to see that in your shores you have able people, well trained, to sometimes come into our houses and collect nature that is taken aboard in our houses. Snakes are not for killing, but snakes, when they have entered in one's house, they need to be safely taken out of that particular house and taken to reptile parks or nature parks where they will continue to replicate and increase in the kingdom. It is for that reason that eMaswati must learn that we must cohabit with nature in the kingdom for nature to continue to flourish.
Libutho letekucisha umlilo siyati ukuthi labaphile emuva bangathatha ukuthi nawo thatha inyoka endlini ekhaya ushiya umkhokha ikakhulu na utawushiya nje iphilile ungakayibulali ngoba kwati lemuva bekwatiwa ukuthi inyoka ingangena endlini angeke nje tingenele ukuthi ifane yathi beyibona ngani lendlu ingashoni lena kuye be naleyo ingolo ukuthi lenyoka le kuyabe kusho ukuthi ithunywe ngubani lenyoka le uthi ayitogilatika kepha ke namuhla sesiyafunza ukuthi cha noma ngabe inemkhokha asiyibambe kahle nje siyikhokhe kahle endlini iyofakwa kahle sakeni kuhle ngoba iyagcinwa negcinwa nangabe loyo msakathi bekayithumele akaphenzi ayithole libutho leqisha umlilo.
In times past, firefighters, it was known that when a snake enters your house, it could be as a result of witchcraft that has been sent to one's house, because no one could fathom how a snake could identify its entrance into one's house. But today we are glad that firefighters are well equipped to collect these snakes, even though we might have those beliefs that a snake has been sent by witches. But you are there to come and collect that snake into a safe area where even the witch himself, even if he had possessed that snake, will never have access to that snake because it will be within your shores and within safekeeping.
Libutho leteqisha umlilo sidumisa ukuthi konke leleni kwendango kuyabonakala ukuthi niyatiqeqesha njoba umlando uyashwe ukuthi nakuqalwa tekucisha umlilo eSwatini besisebenza nemangisi emuva eminyakeni lophelile nje bekakhona bekakhona nakuqalwa umsebenzi weteqisha umlilo kepha ke namuhla seni advancele ukuthi kubonalise ukuthi ngoba live nalikhula netidingeko tekhula nani ngalapha kuteqisha umlilo kutaba netidingeko ukuthi konke leni kwendako nikhule ngesigaba siyabona ke ukuthi nebhala nalikhula live aningasaleli ngemuva ngetraining nangeequipment nangako konke flexibility kubonalisa ukuthi esimeni lesinebungoti nakhona usebenzisa umqondo masinyane kwendele ukuthi ekugcineni kuphephe sive konke lokho siyakudumisa kakhulu elibutho leteqisha umlilo.
I would like to applaud you firefighters for your diligence in continuous training programs as a service in the kingdom. I'm aware that in times past, we used to have the British amongst us, as evidenced by last year. The first chief fire was here amongst us, but I'm glad that since your takeover as firefighters from the British, you have continued in developmental programs in advanced technologies and equipment that has been in your shores since your establishment 50 years ago. I must say that your growth is indeed needed in the kingdom because your vigilance and alertness is critical in saving the nation in the various rescue operations where you will be called upon.
Kulo libutho leqisha umlilo kuyajabulisa kubona nesimo ukuthi live nalikhula nidadisha konke lokukhona eveni nidadishe tekubuka njengoba nibekile nje nakhomba tetakhiwo tetindzaba tetindisa nidadishe nase kuvela imonakalo kuma chemicals labonalisa ukuthi anebungoti anekulimata sive nidadishe konke lokho ukuthi nani yakuleso simo leso ndawo ya kanjani nifike nisite kanjani sive kungaleso sigaba leso konke lokho le nikhombisile namuhla kuyakhomba ukuthi cha niyaqeqeshwa sibili lapha futhi niyabonala ukuthi anike menzawonye niyachubeka niyamasterisha ndiniketa lwati lolukhulu lesitoni khuthata ngako namuhla ukuthi lo mdlandla lenawo qhubekani nawo libutho letekucisha umlilo.
I am pleased, firefighters, on your continuous pursuit to excellence that has been demonstrated here today as you continue to research and study on the various obtaining challenges that are in the kingdom, be it high-rise buildings, aircraft maneuvers, or even chemical factories that we have in the kingdom. You study on the relevant gear that you need to wear in enabling you to stop or rescue people in various circumstances. I must applaud you for your continuous pursuit to excellence, and I'm glad that the nation is indeed safe within your hands.
Limutho la tekucisha umlilo lesibonga sibonga bonke laba lebe baniqeqesha ngoba kuyabonakala ukuthi batiniketile lithuba lelingilo labafanele baniqeqeshe ngalo senine sigaba lesihle sekutheni umlibana uyembili njengoba tekucisha umlilo tiyawube solo tiqhubekela embili seniyawusale nani kubonalisa ukuthi sekune standard lesisethiwe la ngafaya lesitawusale kuba ngeso lesawugatha live lihlale liphephile ukuthi umsebenzi uyadumiseka kakhulu libutho letekucisha umlilo.
Firefighters, I'd like to applaud your instructors who have done their job well. This is evidenced by your various drills and capabilities that you hold today. It is because of your instructors that have diligently applied themselves in producing these human machines that I'm seeing before me here today. The standard has already been set, and future generations will now take leaf from the standard set here today, and I'm glad to all your instructors.
Libutho letekucisha umlilo sengaba nesixwayiso siveni ukuthi noma nani niwenda umsebenzi wekucisha umlilo kumqoka esigabeni sekutheni nesive njengoba lengaphandle siye sikubonalise ukuthi siyababela tindzawo lapha nalapha kwendele ukuthi kumbe kubonakala ukuthi nasekunelitulu bese leyo ndzawo leyo iyajika seyiba nebulhlata seyiba nelihlata libutho letekucisha umlilo ukuthi sive nasitawuyenda leyo msebenzi yekuthi sisebenzisa imlilo kumqoka lokuthi sibambisane nelibutho letekucisha umlilo libakwadi kubika njengoba besilendathi nje emsebenzini webutimba bekukhona kubambisana lokukhulu kubonakala ukuthi ngoba umlilo unebungoti lobukhulu ningathi nine niyasebenza nje niqonze buhle bese uyaphunyuka umlilo ukuthi live lonke na kukhona lapho lenda umsebenzi kungaba njengoba nemasimini ngalelinye ilanga kuyakushiswe kubonakale ukuthi kushiselwa ukuthi lo msebenzi noma lokulinyiwe kutobe sekuvunwa sekushisiwe kumqoka lokuthi kungakendeki lokho kube khona lokubambisana nelibutho letekucisha umlilo kwendeleke ukuthi babe alert bakhona batobona ukuthi noma ngabe kumbe sekuyaphunyuka ngoba ngalesinye isikhathi kuyawuqhamuka umoya lokushako ushika amatima uthathe nje langabe ulijikijelele khashane la wangakafanele khona nakude ke kubambisana bese kuvela ingoti ukuthi kumqoka ukuthi nelive lonke libambisane nelibutho letekucisha umlilo ikakhulu ngoba nani niyakhombisa ukuthi leso sigaba leso ngisona lenivele nisebenza ngaso naleni ikhuthala kubambisana ngaso nesive elibutho lecisha umlilo.
Firefighters, I would like to take this time to caution the nation on the starting of fires in the various regions of the kingdom. I caution the nation not to start fires willy-nilly. When it is time for rains, the nation must always be in consultation with the National Fire Rescue and Emergency Service in finding ways and means on how to start those failed fires in a controlled manner, because fires have got the habit of outrunning us and getting out of control. As we had the Butimba hunting ceremony down in the east, we worked so very well in consultation with the National Fire and Rescue Service, Emergency Service in the kingdom. They helped us control the fires as we were burning the fields, enabling the wildlife to increase in the nature reserves. I therefore urge the same spirit of collaboration with the nation alongside the National Fire Rescue Services. Please, nation must work with the National Fire Rescue Services in order to control fires, not to overrun and destroy property.
Limutho letekucisha umlilo elangeni namuhla ngila khona sita Stonebonga ngemsebenzi wonke lenwendako wekudimisela kakhulu wekufaka umdlandla wekukhombisa kuba ngamaqhawe ukuthi simo singaba likhuni singaba kanjani kepha nini nasithatha sigaba sekuthi now defender sive live lawuphila nanikhona side lapha ke Stonethumisa ngemsebenzi wonke ukuthi noma ngabe lo msebenzi unebungoti kepha nani ninikela impilo yenu ukuthi impilo yenu ungasenza labanye kubonalisa ukuthi ninendinikele ukuthi nakusinze sive lesinyenti konke lokho kukhomba umoya lomuhle kakhulu sithi ke asinithumise kakhulu libutho emsebenzini lomuhle lenwendako welive.
Firefighters, this occasion also presents us an opportunity to come and share our sentiments of gratitude for the bravery and courage that you so demonstrate, especially after taking this great oath to save and rescue our people in the kingdom. Your courage and bravery deserves to be applauded because you have indeed laid down your lives, even in instances of great danger, where you go and sacrifice to save life, even when it means that at times you might yourself lose your own. For this, we would like to pass the nation's gratitude and thanks for that sacrifice that you continue to do in serving our nation.
Libutho letekucisha umlilo wonke umsebenzi lomuhle lenwendako ubonakele namuhla njoba lelanga leli ngilana nani nikhomba tekucisha umlilo ukuthi even inti kanjani kuniketa siqiniseko siveni ukuthi asihlale sinelithemba lelikhulu ukuthi noma ngabe kuvela sehlakalo lesinjani nani khona nine kude lokuyakwendeka lokho ke sithi nako siyakudumisa kakhulu phenze futhi kube langa lena la nelive litobonga nekunika joloqina kuthi nalo lisemva kwenu kuyo onke ama plan nema programs lenawo labonalisa ukuthi akulise le department ikhule kakhulu ngesigaba lesifanele ukuthi sitawuba semva kwenu kunisekela kakhulu ukuthi nembala nikhule le department yetekucisha umlilo elibutho letekucisha umlilo.
Firefighters, your great work has been seen here today. It has been greatly demonstrated where you have actually inspired confidence in the nation, informing the nation that they can rest and know that whenever you are called upon, you are going to be able to save and rescue the nation, because no challenge is too big for the firemen. So today is the day as well where the nation comes to share their support for you and to also stand with you in any difficulty that you may face. And to say to you today, the nation is fully behind you in supporting you and ensuring that your social and welfare is well taken care of.
Buthweni letekucisha umlilo sibongela kakhulu nasite stonvusela nani nibe netethulo lendethulile kwaba kuhle kakhulu nelanga lelihle netethulo letibonala ukuthi sijabulile lapha sikhumbule bogogo nabomkhulu ukuthi sifanele sibanakelele tonke leto tethulo dikhulu kakhulu nato siyabonga sithi kwanze nalapho nithethe khona elibutho letekucisha umlilo.
On such a great celebratory day, I must pass my thanks for the gifts that we have given unto us, especially the gifts to the elderly, that in your plans and thoughts you have had the elderly in your hearts. For all these gifts, we would like to thank you and pray God's blessing upon you, firefighters.
Butho lekucisha umlilo ngisedanga lapha sibukele ukuthi nasikhuluma ngekweukuthi kufuna kunakwe konke ama terms and condition nema structures ayo libutho letekucisha umlilo abonakale ukuthi aba kanjani ngabona ukuthi cha namuhla kufanele kubabe khona la kutawubonalisa ukuthi njengoba siqala eminyakeni ophelile sesitawuqala kube nendlela lesitawusale ilandzeleleka kwendele ukuthi ke nale structure senu sime kahle nema ranks lendawuba nawo abe kahle kusabukwa kusesekuqaleni kusetakwendiwa luhlolo lonyenti ngoba nanyalo nje kuyevakala ukuthi ningi 600 ngenombolo seninonke kepha ke ngeke ukukhula kwesimo kuyahamba ukhanye ukuthi ke itinombolo tifanele tikhule tengelani khona konke lokho solo ngema structures lokutawuhlalwa kahle phansi kubukwe ukuthi nanikhula live njengoba lingaka eSwatini nifanele eventually nibe bangaki nasekuthiwa betekucisha umlilo nalibutho lingaka liyawukhona ukuthi noma ngangikuphi sehlakalo eveni liyawukhona ukuthi lihlangabedane naso yonke leyo msebenzi leyo ngiyo nayo lebukwako ukukhuthata lona libutho letekucisha umlilo.
Firefighters, as I was coming here today, I thought to look into your terms and conditions and also the structure that governs you here in the National Fire Rescue and Emergency Service. It is for that reason that here today I would like to make some new structures that I'd like to put in place. It is not yet conclusive, but many thoughts and research is being put into practice as we look into ways Also, studies are still in place to see if this number is indeed adequate to meet the challenges that the kingdom faces from day to day. I am confident that at the end of this research program that I've initiated into your service, we will come out with better structures and initiatives that we shall follow from year to year.
Libutho letecisha umlilo namuhla ke ngibone ukuthi njoba siyaqala noma njoba kubonakala ukuthi kusasaqala ukuthi aqaletela kuyabonakala ukuthi ngikhathi sisetawukhula ngato letigaba kubonakalisa ukuthi angite nema promotion la tawubonakalisa ukuthi labatawubonala ukuthi namuhla bamenyetwe lapha kutokwateka ukuthi going forward kuyembili sekutawubokwateka ukuthi nelibutho letecisha umlilo nalo litawuniketwe ama structures kubuke kubobabe kubomake bonke kanye laba professional nalaba ngehlukana ngekuhamba kwesikhathi kepha ke namuhla kutaba nesiqaletelo libutho letecisha umlilo.
Firefighters, as we begin the structural changes here in the department, I have looked to see what promotions need to be announced here today. And this will inform the general structure of the National Fire Rescue Services here in the kingdom. That we shall then, from here today, we shall follow it annually as we come to visit you here at the National Fire and Rescue Department.
Libutho letecisha umlilo lengidawuba bita-ke namuhla labatawu kwatuthi batawuphakanyiswa ngilabataba bo senior station officer to divisional officers kusho ukuthi ke emagama abo batokwati ukuthi batobonwa live lonke ngoba kuba kahle ukuthi ubonwe live lonke ukuthi onaba lababusisiwe kusho ukuthi kuna Aaron Wakathabethe, kuna Robinson Manana, kuna Themba Seyama, ngiboke laba busiswako laba kusina station officer to division officer.
Today, I would like to announce to you these officers that are being promoted from the rank of senior station officer to divisional officer. I hereby call upon Aaron Tabete, Robinson Manana, and Themba Seyama, who are hereby promoted from the rank of senior station officer to divisional officer here today.
Senibusisiwe namuhla sesinifisela umsebenzi lomuhle nibambisane kahle nelibutho.
You are hereby blessed here today. You should work well with the entire firefighting officers.
Labanye lesebatawulandzela libutho letecisha umlilo ngilaba ku divisional officers kuna Albert N wakafakutse kube na Samson S wakamaseko ngiboke labo lengiba nika namhla ukuthi bataba i-divisional officers.
I would also like to call upon the substantive divisional officers here today, who are Albert Agute and Samson S. Masego. These are your new divisional officers substantive.
Senibusisiwe namuhla sesinifisela umsebenzi lomuhle libutho.
You are hereby blessed today, and I wish you well here today.
Leo batawulandzela kusho ukuthi sekutaba ngu-Deputy Chief Fire Officer la tawubusiswa namuhla kwati ukuthi sekutaba ne-structure le siba khona lapha kubonakala ukuthi sekutaba nalobukile kube nalosekelako lobonakalisako lokubonakalisako ukuthi nonyaka usesemunye batawulandzela ngoba bangibikele ukuthi bomake basaye ku training le emaveni letawubonakalisa ukuthi babokwati kubambisana kube nabo babe nabo make kubambisane kepha njengoba usesele ku training sitawubamela baze babuye kahle lo taba ke ngu-Deputy Chief Fire Officer kutaba ngu Dennis Z waka Khumalo.
In the new structure that I'm announcing here today, I have your Deputy Chief Fire Officer that I would like to announce. In the new structure, actually, we shall have more possessions of the Deputy Chief Fire Officer. We also need women in these positions to enable adequate gender equality into the fire department. So we shall wait for the women to return, and then we shall then announce the structure as the day proceeds. I therefore announce to you today Ms. Dennis Z. Khumalo as your Deputy Chief Fire Officer.
So busisiwe kuba ngu-Deputy Chief Fire Officer Semba ndawusebenta kahle nelibutho letecisha umlilo.
You have now been blessed as the Deputy Chief Fire Officer. I hope you will work well with the entire department.
Libutho letecisha umlilo angizange sengimemetele lo tanbuka ukuthi ndawubukwa ngibani njoba nembala libutho inkosi liba khona livele limnike amenyedwe atiwe live lonke ukuthi ngubani namuhla ke ngidaniketa lenginiketa yena libutho letecisha umlilo ukuthi lota nibuka kusuka namuhla nguye Luke T wakalishaba.
Firefighters, I have never announced to you who shall be your Chief Fire Officer. Today I am here to announce one that shall lead this great organization. I have looked to see an able, fit man that will lead this great organization. And I have seen one in the man Luke T. Lushaba as your new Chief Fire Officer here today.
So busisiwe namuhla kuba ngu-Chief Fire Officer so jaka kubuya ngisengakakubusisi. Langa lelikhulu leli
It is a great
nakwenteka
day.
tinto letinjena konteka nalokunyenti uthi awu Chief Fire Officer Lushaba nangoke embikwenu sengimbusisile ngokwemthetho so yawubambisana nalo lonke libutho inkosi lemthume yona alichize kahle inkosi naye libuya elikhanze liphilile lijabulile kude tinkinga nako konke ukuthi ubusisekile namhla Lushaba.
This is your new Chief Fire Officer in the man Lushaba. I hope Lushaba shall take good care of the entire department, that when the king returns here from year to year, shall find that this department is in good care without any challenge, no problems. So this is Lushaba, your new chief fire officer. I hereby bless him here today.
Ngalamagama libutho letecisha umlilo sesijabulile kakhulu kunibona nekunivusela sinifisela lilanga lelihle kuleli langa lanamuhla. Siyabonga